All right, so what I want to do is give you a chance to get access to a awesome piece of software 100% for free. Now, I don't know about you, but a lot of my subscribers, they don't want to spend monthly fees on a page building software. You know what I'm talking about? Softwares like Clickfunnels, GrooveFunnels, ConvertTree, Builderall. There's a ton out there, obviously, but they all come with a monthly price tag. And I kind of got roped into ClickFunnels a few years ago. I mean, it's a great service and everything, but I pay over $1,000 a year for it. I mean, I've got hundreds of pages hosted with it, so at this point, it'd be so hard for me to move to another page builder. But if you haven't gotten too deep in one of those page builders, then pay attention here, because you're going to get a chance to get yourself a awesome page builder and funnel builder with FX Funnel 100% for free right now when you use this coupon code 100free. This isn't some rinky-dink piece of software. This was a massive launch not too long ago. Alright, so you're going to get access to profitable funnels in minutes with over 100 plus proven templates built in, drag and drop editor, all kinds of features that aren't even in ClickFunnels, like tells you exactly how much profit a funnel will produce before you even deploy it, which is nuts. So it's even got a membership site system. So this is a great piece of software, and you're going to get it for free, 100% for free today. All right, so all you're going to do to claim it, all right, you're going to come down here to the button. Where's the button? Passed it up. All right, so you're going to come down, and this is actually available because of, as you can see, I've already gotten it for free myself, but this is made available through the $5 Friday mega deal company. All right, so what this company does is it goes out and it finds awesome pieces of software, gets license rights to them, and what that means, when you get license rights, it allows you to resell that particular software. So it's essentially a discount club. All right, so instead of getting the $47 that FX Funnels usually would cost $5 during a $5 Friday mega deal, but at this time you can actually get it for free. All right, so what we're gonna do, all right, I'm gonna go ahead and push continue. You're simply gonna fill out your information as usual, as if you were buying a product, but this is important. We want to come down here to coupon code and push apply, and then that will turn to 0. Push complete purchase. That's it. You're just going to get access to FX Funnel. Enjoy this funnel software, guys. Seriously, if you are looking for a page builder out there, if you've maybe been wanting to create that capture page, but you don't want to join ClickFunnels or something that costs $97 a month or whatever, get this. I mean, it's free. What do you have to lose? Pick it up, enjoy it. All right, have a great one. Bye.